This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Tony Welch is here. Come on. Broken vase.
Hello. Why don't you three go and play outside? There's much more room for running about down there.
No, thank you, Mummy. We're playing indoors today.
OK, well, look, can you just calm down a little bit? Lunch is nearly ready. I've got tomato soup and ham sandwiches.
Oh, yummy! What should we play next? I know. You hide, and when the person looking for you gets near you, boo them! Boo! Yes, hide and boo. You both hide, and I'll count, OK? Oh, come on, Tony. Go, go, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Under here. Yeah, this one. 5. It might be a bit squishy in here. 7. Come in, Tony. 8. 9. 10. Coming. I'm going to find you. Will you boo me? Huh. Tell your mum. No, she'll be really sad. And cross. I think it was her favourite vase.
Topsy, Tim, Tony, lunch is ready.
Oh. We'll try and fix it after lunch. And if you can't fix it, then we will tell Mummy.
Go. Tuck in, everybody. I've made you some cheese and ham sandwiches just for you, Tony, because I know that they're your favourite.
Thanks, Mrs. O'Dell.
Oh, you're welcome. You're all very quiet. Is everything all right with you, Tim?
Yummy.
Are you okay? Maybe you should play something a little bit calmer this afternoon. How about some drawing?
Thanks for lunch, Mummy. Please, can we go and do some making upstairs?
Of course you can.
We're all glad when lunchtime is over. Come on. Thanks for lunch, Mrs. O'Dell. Sorry, we weren't very hungry, Mummy.
Well, that's okay. You can show me your pictures when you finish them later.
Now it's time to mend Mummy's vase. We tried to stick the broken piece back on the vase with glue from my make and do box. No. But it's hard to do it. I'm going to try clay now. Oh. We haven't tried sticky tape yet. Oh, yes. I'll do the cutting and I'll hold this. OK, you do that and I'll put the big pieces in. The big piece first. So where does it go? Another piece. And look, let's put this round here. Yes! We're nearly done. Done in 3, 2, 1, done! Yes! Fixed it. Looks all messy. Mummy's going to see the tape. Mummy's going to be really sad. I know. We can colour it in. Yes.
Cheers.
Quick, Mummy's coming.
Thought you'd all like a drink.
Thank you, Mummy.
Oh, what's she making?
We haven't decided yet, Mrs. O'Dell. No, we haven't.
OK, well, you all look very busy.
OK. We should tell Mummy now. I know. Cut the vase. I know. We've mended it, though. Let's just put it back on the hall table. We carried the vase back downstairs and into the hall.
Hello, gang.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hello, Mr. O'Dell.
Where's my big hello, Dad? Now, where's Mummy? I bought these for her.
Hello.
Oh. I bought you these to say happy wedding anniversary, Joy.
Oh, thank you, Brian. They're gorgeous.
Is it your wedding anniversary?
Yeah. We've been married for 6 whole years.
Thank you, Brian. I'll put them in a vase. Oh, that's odd. Where's my vase gone?
We broke it, Mummy. We're sorry. We're really sorry, Mummy. We should have told you. We tried to mend it. Look.
You're right. You should have told me straight away and then we could have all fixed it together. Not like this.
Sorry, Mummy. Sorry, Mummy.
Oh.
Sorry. Sorry, Mrs. O'Dell.
Oh. That's OK. Do you know what? Accidents happen. OK?
I bet no one else has a vase quite like this.
Oh.
Tony went home and Mummy mended the vase properly with some special grown-ups glue. And then Mummy and Dad got all dressed up.
Flowers look lovely there.
Oh, you look so pretty, Mummy!
Oh, thank you.
Because it's our anniversary, twins, Mummy and I are going to go out for a treat.
And you two are going to get a treat too.
Yeah. And that's when Mummy said, Danielle, the babysitter, is coming to play with you this afternoon.
Danielle, the babysitter, is going to come and play with you both this afternoon.
Yay!
Do you like Danielle, the babysitter?
We love her.
So please try and be good and no more breakages.
We promise. We promise.
Now, how about an anniversary?
And that, said Dad, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today was Mummy and Dad's wedding anniversary. Can you remember what present Dad brought home for Mummy? Was it a bunch of flowers? Or was it a box of chocolates? The answer is behind the jigsaw piece. Look, The answer is a bunch of flowers. Watch this.
Where's my big hello, Dad? Now, where's Mummy? I bought these for her.
Hello.
Oh. I bought you these to say happy wedding anniversary, Joy.
Oh, thank you, Brian. They're gorgeous.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.